My name is Sagar Pore and I graduated from Cordon Bleu Australia in year 2009 with a Bachelor of Business degree. So I currently work for Shangri-La, Sydney. It's one of the most prestigious hotels across Australia. It's a 565 room property. My current title is Director Food and Beverage. So I look after 7 different departments, including all the bars and the restaurants in the hotel, all the function spaces, room service. So altogether the team is close to 200 people between service and kitchen, and I look after all of that. So a lot of people that you get to look after. The Bachelor of Business covers different subjects altogether into it, A lot of subjects are taught in that course. They might not be relevant straight away. Like for example, initially when you start working, it's all about service. So it's your basic subjects like either cookery or service where you use those basic skills. But as you advance through your careers, the finance part comes in, the people management comes in. And that's where you realize that, okay, this is something that I've studied and they are very relevant today. My main reason for choosing Le Cordon Bleu was the brand name. Again, it's a very renowned institution. But also you come across a lot of industry professionals that often you will talk about a certain general manager or a certain director in food and beverage, and you ask them saying that, where have you studied? And they will often tell you Le Cordon Bleu. What LCB brought to me was the whole diversity aspect, As my journey went through LCB, it was nothing short of transformative. I still remember back in 2007, that was my first overseas trip. So I was very nervous. I was probably 20 at that age. You get to meet people around so many different cultures, so many different nationalities, and it's a really beautiful feeling. The whole team at LCB made us really comfortable, right from day one. Hospitality in general as an industry is amazing to be a part of. As a kid, you always want to see your favorite sports star or favorite cricketer or favorite Bollywood actor or actress, and hospitality exposes you to all those different fields. The people in my 18 years of career, when I look back, it's like, wow, I got to see and meet so many different people from so many different walks of life, and it just enriches you as a person. It teaches you a lot of different things about life and about perspective. So yeah, that's it.